Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to write a letter and every type of letters, formal, informal, and we'll see the formats and examples of those letters. So let's get started. First thing, how many types of letters? There are two types of letters, formal and informal. Formal letters are for the official purpose, like it is to the principal, to the manager, to the editor, etc. For this letter is first the address. Write the address and leave one line, then the date. Date we have to write in this form. If it is January or February, you can use a short JAN or FEB. Rather, if it is small like June, May, July, you write it full and make a comma over here. Then after the date to the manager, to whomever you are writing, like to the principal or to the manager, to the editor, whatever. Then their address, here your address, here their address, to whom you are writing, जिसको आप लिख रहे हो उसका एड्रेस यहाँ पर आपका एड्रेस रहेगा. Then subject most probably आप start करें regarding to the and keep it as shorter as you can. Then respected sir, if you are, then start the letter. I would like to draw your attention, ये काफ़ी अच्छा वे है to start the letter, or also you can start the letter by your introduction. Then write a letter in one or two paragraphs and then end the letter by I shall be thankful to you. This is the way how you can end the letter, and last you leave one line. If there is a space, then your sincerely, your name, your sincerely comma is very important, your name, and that's how you can end the letter. And now let's move for the informal letters. Now it's time for the informal letters. The format for the informal letters, first of all, let's know what is informal letters. These letters are written to the your friends, family, your parents, and these type. They are not official. Official letters are only written in the formal. Unofficial letters are written in informal. Let's see the format. First, address. Write the address, your address, then same in the same form, the date, and then start dear Mona or dear Papa, dear Mama, anything you can, whatever you like. Here, no respected, no to the, no, even their address is not important, only your address. Then start. I am fine here. Hope you are also be fine there. Write 1, 2, 3 paragraphs. As compared to the formal letter, informal letter will be longer, and then end the letter by convey my regards, or if you are writing to your friend, then convey my regards to all family members if you're writing to your family. Then your loving son, here no faithful, no sincerely, your loving, your loved, and these things. Then your name and end the letter. Now let's see the examples, then that make you more clear about how to write the letters. This is formal letter, like how I have written the address पहले लिखा, फिर address पहले आपको room number लिखना है, मैंने नहीं लिखा है. Then street, like street, road, nearby की चीज़ें. Then main area and the state. Then date you have to write. फिर उसके बाद में to. Then the customer service managers, then XYZ company, then city, pin code, state, this you have to write. Subject, then respected to sir, madam, then your name. As I told, you can like to draw your attention, or just start with your first introduction and then you start the main para, your main problem in the second para, and the third para you just request to understand their to understand that problem, and for the solution you will ask. Then your faithfully name, signature is not important in your exam, it is just written. देन लेट्स मूव फॉर द इनफॉर्मल लेटर. इनफॉर्मल लेटर का ये एग्जाम्पल है, आप स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू रियली लाइक दिस वीडियो, you get the information, so like, and for the more videos subscribe to our channel. So let's see this example. Like मैंने पहले अपना एड्रेस लिखा है, 33 Fifth Avenue. This letter is written for the birthday party invitation to my friend. Then date, dear Sal. You can write anything, whatever you like. Dear parents, dear mummy, or whatever. Then start with how are you? How are your family members? I'm fine here. Hoping you are doing well. Then the main para, it should be longer than formal letters you write, and then end the letters with love or your loving and your name. That's it. And this is how you can write formal and informal letters. Hope this video will be useful to you. So hit the like button, comment if you need any kind of videos, and subscribe to our channels. Thank you.